Orange slime.
Pretty slime.
Making the balls. And what do we got? What's inside? Let's see. You do that one, I'll do this one. What's in yours? Oh, an elephant.
And
I have a panda.
cute.
Let's mix this slime together.
Here you go.
More slime.
Let's put them all in.
No, we're going to make sounds. Ready?
Nope. I say we put them in.
No. Ava, no. We want to hear the sounds.
No.
We'll put them in after.
Hey, you did the right feet.
Sorry.
Can I just...
Listen to the sound.
Mommy.
What? In a minute, we're going to show them how these crackles. Everyone loves to hear the sound of slime and being played with. It's so relaxing and oddly satisfying.
That's one for you. Can I hear it? Mommy?